guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi if you already haven't met me yet, and yes, some people call me Shante. So I'm back again with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review on this charcoal peel-off mask by Absolute New York. Yes, this peel-off mask is sold by OAcosmetics in Nigeria. They are like a verified distributor for Absolute products, Milani products, and Banish products, I think. I'm going to have their website linked down below. You can go check them out, and I also have a discount code on their website which I'm going to leave down below. All details are going to be down below, so you can just check that out and get the tea. This peel-off mask claims to remove blackheads, minimizes pores, brightens and reduces or controls oil on the skin. It says it's for all skin types: dry, normal, combination, oily. It also claims to be paraben free, sulfate free, and phthalate free. I don't even know what that is. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I've never seen it before in my entire life. And it says that it effectively clears blackheads and minimizes pores, as I said earlier. So it says to apply this, you apply a thick layer onto a clean dry skin. You peel off after 20-30 minutes, and then you rinse off any excesses. Okay, it also says that you should use it 1 to 2 times a week. So we're just going to follow all these instructions, and we're going to see what my skin feels like after, and I'll let you guys know. I hope you enjoyed this video and you keep coming back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you waiting for? Why don't you just click on that subscribe button down below this screen? It costs you nothing. It is totally free. And yes, let's just get right into this video. Yes guys, so I'm back with my face all washed and clean after using this charcoal peel-off mask. This is actually my first time ever using any form of peel-off mask on my face, and for subsequent use I think I would prefer to use my hands to apply the peel-off mask as against using a brush, because that would help me control how thick the layer of the mask is on my face. I had a very difficult time peeling off the mask because the layer wasn't as thick as it was supposed to be, so it wasn't peeling off as one, it was peeling off in pieces, and that took a lot of my time. So next time I'm going to be using this peel-off mask, I'm going to be using my hands to apply it, and I'm going to be making the layer a bit thicker. Okay, aside from that, I really like how my face feels right now. I love that it feels tight. It's not tight in a bad way. It feels tight, and at the same time it feels soft. It didn't dry out my skin, but at the same time my skin feels tight. So I guess that the closing of the pores, the oil control that it promised to do, the mask is going to do that. I'm going to use this over the next couple of days, and write in the comment section before I post this video, or when I post this video, I'll let you guys know what I really think and how effective this peel off mask is. As I said earlier, don't forget to check my description box on details on how to get this and my discount code on the website so that you can save yourself some coins. So that's pretty much for me today. I'm going to go right off to bed now because it is really late now. I think it's some minutes to 1 a.m. So until next time, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.